barbel fishing.
Right, first cast of the day. I'm not entirely quite sure where I should be casting, but I think I'll start in close and work my way out. Probably starting left, and then I'll keep chopping it and changing it, I guess. See what happens. Like I say, I'm going to start in close, so I'll just give this a quick underarm situation. Let's see how we do. I'm saying cast one, we're too close, so time to send it out a bit further there. That's it, look at that. Right, this is the rig I'm using today. I'm going to be doing a feeder, obviously ground bait. I've got pellets mixed in there as well. I made this rig up last night using IQ10, and that's a Kamakura hook. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. And that is luncheon meat by Dynamite Baits. I think it might be krill, something like that. But yeah, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. I've never fished for barbel before, but I'm going to assume that this should work. Should be able to catch something on that beast. So yeah, like I say, this is luncheon meat, and I've got like a plastic shrink wrap round it, which is by Gardner Hardball. What's that? Hardball bait saver. Obviously I thought using luncheon meat, I'm probably going to be losing my luncheon meat all the time, so stick that on and it'll be solid. I couldn't get my needle through it though, so I had to cut an hole in it with scissors and just thread it through. There you go. Go on, rod. Oh, rudders. Bend over, rudders. That's it, rudders. Staring at that rod tip just drives me insane. There's just something about just sat here staring at that that's driving me crazy. So annoying. My mate told me this is easy. Catching a barbel's easy. Don't get me wrong. He said it were in a different spot further down, but still, this looks perfect. Come on, man. Surely, God. This. It has to happen. Now, as you can see, for maximum concentration, I'm only using one rod today. I don't at all have a pike rod with me. At all, or any pike gear down here. I might have a go before I leave. You can't go fishing without the pike stuff. But yes, usually I'd have several rods on go, always busy, and then I'd miss the bites. But today, maximum concentration on one rod at a time, and hopefully we don't miss any bites. But I'm yet to have a bite, so we will see. And if you're wondering where I've been recently, I've just been busy, chilling, hiding, you know. Been on holiday, went to Lanzarote for 2 weeks. I swear I got my Gucci hat for $9.99. Real legit. Made in China. You know what I'm saying? Gucci is made in China, if you didn't know. So there you go. If you would like to see some of my holiday snaps slash videos, to be fair, I have put them on my son's YouTube channel, so I will leave the link for his channel in the description if you'd like to subscribe to that and take a look. But yeah, been busy. I'm probably gonna I'm only here for a couple hours today, but I might come back next weekend, try again. Hopefully I can catch them today, but if not, come back to next weekend. And then the week after, I'll be back at Office Lakes trying for the catfish. Well, and the carp, for everything. But yeah, I would like to catch a big catfish. Fingers crossed. Advised that there's no fish in this water, so I'm never coming here again. During the course of this session, I've realised I've been wasting my time. So I hope you enjoy your time, wasting your time, watching me waste my time while we're all just here wasting our own time. And we'll just see what happens. Another weekend, another bite. Hopefully. I say another bite. A bite. A bite will do. Yep, green I think. I don't know what. Yeah, probably a perch. That's what I suspect's been attacking my worms. Yeah, baby. Now, stop moving. There we are, look at that. Not bad for the first fish. We're in again. Possibly another perch. Right, now I think we're in. It's a little bit better than last time. Decent sized rocks, not bad. And it didn't get swooped in by the pike. I'll put it back. So we're back again. Looking cool, man. Now get me a fish. Whoa, that one explosive take. Oh my god. What the hell was that? Still on, whatever it is. No, it ain't. It's gone. No. No. Oh, I think that took me straight into the snags. No. That was big. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Can't believe that. That was big. Only real fishermen are hot noodles at 5 AM. Quick boost of energy. Still using the luncheon meat. This time I went to tackle shop, bought myself 2 of these cage feeders, 4 ounces. Hopefully they'll grip bottom and we can catch a fish today. Also, I've upgraded the line. We're getting snagged all the time. I've stepped up. I've just put my £80 braid on for just go all out. So if we get snagged, hopefully we can get his kit back. There you go. Size 7 hook. A little bit smaller than what I was using last time. In. We've got something on the end. Hopefully this time it won't get me snagged. Come on. I feel like it's had my pants down. No. Oh, it's out. No! It had me pants down. Fuck's sake. No. I can't believe that. That was a good take. And a half decent fish as well. But we'll go again. The fish are biting. I know that much, the fish are biting now, so... Right, we're back out on feeder today. I've got some fresh bait, river, big fish, busters, shrimp and krill. Giving these bad boys a go today. No messing about, big fish only. That's my rig on this one. I'm fishing 2 rods today. I'm going to set one out of it over there on a fixed rig. I'm going to sit by this one. No messing about. It is first light and this is the first cast of a new day. Fingers crossed today's the day. It's only a short session today. I'm here, I've got to be home by 11. It's currently around 20 to 6. Let's see what we can do. First cast is away. But it's lovely and warm now, sun's come out. I forgot my hat today. Forgot my hat. I'm not impressed. But yeah, that sun is nice. No! For fuck's sake. Oh, we have a little fish. Wow. After all that. After all that, getting snagged up, that is the result. Oh. It's not a bad sized fish really, is it? It's not the barbel we're after though. We've got another one. Let's have a look at this beastie perch. It's not a bad perch at all. Another bite. Finally hooked into something. Come on, please be a barbel. Please don't come off, come on. Get this side. Come on. Oh, don't get me snagged now. Come on, no. Come on. What's it snagged on? No. Come on. Come on, get out the snag. Fuck's sake, fucking wanker. Well, I've caught one again, snagged me up again, but I got my rig back, just lost my lead, that's all. I just don't get it. Why is there so many snags out there? I just had one again. One day, guys, one day we're gonna catch one. I can't believe it. That was it. That was the time. God, what a take as well. Why? I give up. I'm not catching a barbel. It's pointless. I can't do it. I've been coming down here every Saturday for the past 2 months, something like that, and it's been crap. Do us a favour, just
press that subscribe button over there, would you? Cheers, buddy. Thank you. Better luck next year. Stay tuned for the £20 pike, because it's coming right round the corner, sir.